Authoritarianism is a political ideology that advocates for the concentration of power in the hands of a small group or a single individual who are responsible for making decisions on behalf of the rest of society. Authoritarian regimes typically have strict hierarchies and are characterized by a lack of transparency, accountability, and popular participation in decision making. There are many different forms of authoritarianism, ranging from traditional monarchies to dictatorships, and more modern forms of authoritarianism that use democratic institutions and processes to maintain control. In all cases, however, authoritarian regimes are characterized by a concentration of power in the hands of a small group who are not accountable to the rest of society and who have the final say on all matters of policy and governance. Authoritarian regimes often rely on a variety of tools to maintain control and suppress dissent, including censorship, propaganda, surveillance, and violence. They may also use state controlled media and educational systems to shape public opinion and promote particular ideologies or sets of values. One of the key features of authoritarianism is the absence of checks and balances on the exercise of power. In authoritarian regimes, the ruling authorities are not subject to the same legal or constitutional limits as in democratic societies. They are free to make decisions and take action without the need to consult with or seek the approval of the population. This can lead to abuses of power, obviously, such as corruption, repression, and human rights violations. There are many different reasons why people might support authoritarian regimes. Some may see them as necessary for maintaining order and stability in the face of social or economic turmoil. Others may support authoritarian regimes out of fear or lack of alternatives because they believe the ruling authorities are acting in their best interests for the nation or for the people. Authoritarian regimes have had a long and complex history, and they've played a significant role in shaping the political landscape of many countries around the world. While some authoritarian regimes have been relatively successful in maintaining stability and prosperity, others have been marked by violence, repression, and widespread human rights abuses.